I want, guys, it is very important to learn about stage lighting and improving ourselves since the technology is growing and evolving. So I thought I'll share with you how I learn things and grow myself. Before we continue, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now to this channel. So it will help this channel to grow and I can share more knowledge with you in future. So now, learning and improving ourselves. For me, YouTube or internet is the easiest way to learn new things and improve myself. And the second is reading. That's why I thought of buying books to read, improve my knowledge regarding lighting. So I thought of sharing with you a book that I bought recently from Amazon. The link is in the description. Lighting for Televised Live Events by James L. Moody and Jeff Ravitz. So I thought of buying this book because since nowadays almost every live event is televised or broadcast in YouTube or social media. So that means we have to make sure the event is beautiful for the eye as well as for the camera. I've been reading this book for a couple of weeks now during my free time and it have given me huge knowledge and a great concept about lighting for the eye as well as the camera. So guys, go ahead, the link is in the description. You can go to Amazon and check this book. You can have a preview of this book. And don't forget to share your ideas, your knowledge that you learned from this book or any other book. And if you have any suggestion, please comment down below in the comment section for all of us to know and learn. So keep in touch and keep learning every day. God bless you.